The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 121. Well, a very good morning to you. It is Sunday, the 27th of April 2025, and I'm currently moored up on the Ashby Canal, and it is an absolutely beautiful morning. It's glorious. I've got Sandy with me and he's enjoying it. An early morning walk along the side of the canal. There's just us, the swamp duck, and lots of sheep. And an aeroplane. My next video will go out on Saturday the 3rd of May 2025 at 8 AM. And that's a video that I made when Helen and I and Sandy, we went up on Easter Sunday to the Peak Forest Canal so that we could walk at the side of it. I did say that when I did a recent vlog of the Peak Forest Canal, that when I'm kayaking you can't actually see too much of the countryside roundabout. It's too low down, so I wanted to walk at the side so that I could show you some of the fantastic views that you get from that Peak Forest Canal. So join me for that video on Saturday the 3rd of May 2025 at 8 AM. Sandy. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome the new subscribers that we've had to the channel of recent days. It's a great encouragement, and if you're watching on a television, then please you can still interact with YouTube. You just have to use the down button on your remote control, and it will take you to where you can subscribe. And if you move the cursor along just a few spaces, you can get to the like button, but don't go any further, just go to the like button and you can give the channel a like. Unfortunately, it's difficult to comment when you're using a television. That's not easy, so you would need to use a mobile phone or your laptop or a tablet in order to do that. So I do enjoy the comments, but I do appreciate that the vast majority of people are watching YouTube on the television these days, and it is not so easy to do. But I do enjoy reading comments, and they too are a great encouragement, and they help the channel to move up the YouTube algorithm. So thank you very much for your continual support, and as always, do take care.